Today we're taking a look at the NVIDIA stock, ticker symbol NVDA, in anticipation of the upcoming Friday, March 15th, 2024 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades, as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start. If you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. On the trading day of Thursday, March 14th, 2024, NVIDIA's stock commenced trading at $895.79 and concluded at $879.44, marking a 3.24% decrease throughout the day, with fluctuations ranging from $908.88 to $879.44. Trading activity witnessed the exchange of 59.6 million shares, amounting to approximately $52.45 billion. The stock's trading range oscillated between $866 as the lowest point and $906.44 as the highest point. It's worth noting that this stock's 52-week high and low stand at $974 and $238.94 respectively. A comparison with the previous trading day reveals a decrease in traded shares by 3 million, suggesting a decline in stock price. In terms of risk, the stock is classified as very steady with a low likelihood of distress. Although the long-term moving average signals a buy, the short-term moving average maintains a sell indication. However, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, a buy signal persists, indicating a more optimistic forecast. Notably, when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, suggesting a favorable outlook. Conversely, falling below the short-term average generates a sell signal, indicating a less favorable perspective. Technical analysis reveals a mild, bearish 3-day candlestick pattern, coupled with extreme 3-day distribution on the stock. Additionally, there was an extreme bearish 1-day money flow on NVIDIA, and a breakout watch is observed above the $901.71 level. On the 5-hour time frame, a Harami cross pattern is forming, indicating a bullish reversal with low reliability. Considering the current short-term trend, a rise in the stock price is anticipated. At the close of the most recent trading session, the latest daily candle on the chart displays a red hue, signaling the dominance of the bears in the market activity. This session witnessed a prevalence of sellers, as evidenced by a notable trading volume of 59.6 million shares, marking a 16% increase from NVIDIA's typical average volume of 50.1 million shares. Presently, the stock is situated towards the upper end of its annual price range. In terms of moving averages, NVIDIA finds itself positioned below its 5-day exponential moving average and simple moving average, yet comfortably above its 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day counterparts, which bodes well for its overall trend. Transitioning to the technical analysis, several indicators present a positive outlook. Notably, while the average true range indicates heightened volatility, indicators such as the ultimate oscillator, relative strength index, rate of change, stochastic, MACD, commodity channel index, and average directional index all portray positive readings. This convergence of technical signals suggests a favorable stance for the stock, leaning towards a buy recommendation. Nonetheless, it's crucial to acknowledge that relying solely on these indicators might not guarantee significant outcomes. Looking ahead to the trading day on Friday, March 15th, 2024, it's important to note that if NVIDIA's stock price remains below $883.97, there's a higher likelihood of downside potential. Conversely, if the price surpasses this threshold, the probability of an upward movement increases. According to the closing price from the previous trading session, the present pivot point for this particular stock stands at $883.97. Furthermore, it finds support at levels of $875.28, $858.97, and $843.52, while encountering resistance at $899.41, $908.95, and $926.69. Moving forward, let's delineate a couple of prospective trades for NVIDIA stock in the upcoming trading session. 2 bullish strategies and 2 bearish strategies. You're encouraged to explore additional trade setups based on the insights gleaned from the preceding discussion, tailored to your bullish or bearish outlook on this stock. Keep in mind the principle that breached support levels often transition into resistance, and conversely, breached resistance levels tend to act as support. Consider initiating a bullish trade by opening a long position if, within the initial 30 minutes of trading, the stock maintains the $875.28 level as a support. The aim is to enter the trade as closely aligned with this support level as possible, keeping in mind the short-term nature of this trade. For those bullish on NVIDIA, the intention is evidently to capitalize on intraday opportunities. Thus, my suggestion for profit-taking in this initial bullish scenario would be to begin doing so in proximity to the $899.41 resistance level. A second bullish opportunity arises if the $899.41 resistance level is breached at least 30 minutes after market opening and then sustains as a support for a substantial period. This development indicates a short-term bullish trend, prompting consideration for a long position close to the new support level of $899.41. When contemplating profit-taking in this subsequent bullish trade, it is prudent to consider doing so around the subsequent resistance level of $908.95. Managing positions in increments rather than all at once is advisable. Gradual closures in 25% increments offer a strategic approach to navigating market fluctuations. Now, for those considering a bearish trade, if the stock persists in treating the $899.41 level as resistance for at least 30 minutes after market open, it may warrant initiating or adding to a short position near this resistance level. Again, the emphasis remains on short-term trading strategies. For traders taking a bearish stance on NVIDIA, aiming to profit within the day is paramount. Hence, I recommend initiating profit-taking around the $875.28 support level in the first bearish trade. In a second bearish scenario, observe if the $875.28 support level is breached at least 30 minutes after market open and then transforms into a resistance level for a notable duration. This situation implies a short-term bearish sentiment, prompting consideration for a short position near the new resistance level of $875.28. When contemplating profit-taking in this subsequent bearish trade, consider doing so around the subsequent support level of $858.97. Similar to bullish strategies, gradual position closures in 25% increments are advised for prudent risk management. As the market landscape continues to evolve, stay vigilant, adapt your trading strategy with agility, and leverage the rich array of insights provided in this comprehensive analysis. May your trades be astute and your financial endeavors thrive in this dynamic market environment. Happy trading!